we take the plastic beads, which are like these, and we mold them into the components to make a car battery. So like I was saying, the case, the cover.
Is there a uniform employees need to wear?
No, we do not wear a uniform. I can wear my regular clothing. The only thing they do require is that we have PPE, which is like gloves, and we need a knife and a clever cutter, and we also have to wear like steel toe shoes.
I just work on all the controls of the machines and help design and create them.
What's your background before coming here?
Actually, I just came out of high school.
What is so cool about working here?
So I like to fix machines and help machines run.
What's your position?
I'm a machinist. I make stuff in the machine shop.
In your opinion, what is so cool about working here?
They have problems and I fix them, and they allow me to fix them as needed.
What do the other facilities have in common?
So a lot of our other facilities, like the one in Columbus, they make similar products, like one over here, the cases and the covers. But the only difference in that would be they make it for bigger batteries. Their sizes are different and their volumes are different.
What do you think is so cool about working here?
So the coolest thing that I like about working over here is that our manufacturing processes are a lot dependent on equipments and different types of machines to do that. So every day I come to work, I like to see, different equipments and machines doing different kinds of processes. So working with a lot of machines, I like that.
What do you think is so cool about working here?
I think that it's very cool that we help to support the transportation unit and all of the batteries that go into cars. We help to make those, and that our products are 99% recyclable.